Hello creators, imagine waking up to see 1.5 million views on a YouTube video and an estimated $1,948.68 in revenue, all without ever showing your face or turning a camera on.
Oh wow!
That's the power of AI faceless video. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I hope you are happy to be here with me. I'm going to be showing you step by step with every tool, every number, and every trick, all well explained in this video. So what I want you to do right now is grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you will know how to build a channel that earns a lot of money for you while you sleep. Why a faceless AI video? Have you ever asked yourself why? Why do you want a faceless AI video? Why do you want it? One is lower barriers. No need for expensive cameras or lighting. We know that not everybody that wants to do YouTube have expensive cameras and lighting. Some don't even have a very good phone. The next reason why a faceless YouTube channel is scalability. AI handles scripting, voiceovers, editing, so you can more than a content at once. Then, have you ever considered evergreen niches? Let me guide you. Evergreen niches include finance, motivation, tech explainers, relaxing sounds. All this one keeps earning for years. They are evergreen. You can never run out of views. So a quick mathematics example. Let's say average CPM is $8. Multiply by 1.5 million views times 70 monetized, which will be equal to 840,000 monetized views. 840,000 monetized views divided by 1,000 times $8, which will generate $8,620 ad revenue. Then you can add affiliate links or sponsorship easily over like $10,000. Core AI tools you need for the purpose of your faceless channels. We have the purpose tools, which include script writing with ChatGPT, Gemini, or Cloudy. Then you can go and do voiceover after the script writing. You can go and do voiceovers with 11 Labs, Play HT. Video editing, Pictory, you go for Runaway, Canva Pro, thumbnails, you use Canva, Figma, AI, Adobe Firefly, Stock Media, Pixels, Pixabay, Storybooks, then SEO and analytics to body. You get ChatGPT will draft a full video script with a prompt for you. Yes, ChatGPT can do that. Then next is 11 Labs. 11 Labs will give you realistic voiceovers in many languages, as many languages as you want. Then Pictory. Pictory will automatically assemble the video from the text. Step-by-step scripting now. After you have done all those script writing, Pictory, assembling of the videos, prompt example for ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT what you want your story to be on. Then write a 3-minute YouTube script about 5 habits that saves money. Like if you're into finance, you can tell ChatGPT, write a 3-minute YouTube script about 5 habits that saves money with a friendly tone and a strong book. So add a call to action and a timestamp. You get. Then keep pace at 120 to 150 words per minute. This is the prompt you're giving ChatGPT. Then next is voiceovers and music. When you want to do voiceovers and music, like I said earlier, you go to 11 Labs setup. Then you create a free account with 11 Labs. Yeah, some of these apps will require you to sign up with money, but on this one, the 11 Labs setups now, you go to 11 Labs, create a free account, then you paste the scripts you've gotten from ChatGPT, Gemini, or Cloudy. Then you choose a voice. Example, you can choose Adam. Adam is friendly. You can choose Adam. Then download MP3. When Adam is done with the voice note, you download with MP3. Then you create background sound. You have created a background sound. YouTube Audio Library and at least Pixabay. Clean audio with Audacity. Yes, it will create a clean audio with Audacity for you. Well normalized and noise reduced. This app will do video editing for you and visuals. So when you finish with music and other things, in Pictory, you upload these scripts, you auto-generate the visuals, and add caption or logo to it. So for more control over your video. You can take the video you've generated from Pictory to CapCut or DaVinci and resolve any issue. You get. Then layer in B-roll, cities, natures, office shoot. You can get animated chat in Canva chat. You get. Then next is the dynamic captions. ChatGPT that, okay, I want to publish this video, but before publishing, can you SEO for me? ChatGPT will generate a title formula for you. Like, it will put the keyword plus the benefit and the curiosity of the video for you as a title. Example now, this video I'm making, if I want ChatGPT to do SEO for me, ChatGPT will give me a title, something like AI faceless videos in $10,000 without showing your face. Somebody will be very curious. Okay, what is this video talking about? I want to see it. Then the first 2 lines of description, it will be equal to keyword plus the hook. Then 5 to 10 tags. ChatGPT can also generate 2 tags for you. So you have actually just given it and it's doing it for you. It will doing the seamless work for you. Then next is ask ChatGPT, what is the best time to upload? The best time to upload as a Nigerian is GMT +1. Example, local time. Like Friday, you can upload around 5 to 7 p.m. local time. On Saturday, you can upload between 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. local time. Use TubeBuddy or VIDLQ for keyword research and CTR tracking. Monetization mathematics now. Let's do the mathematics over the monetization, because the aim of the channel is to get monetized and be earning something. So number 1 is AdSense. CPM, $4 minus $12, that's finance niche. Opt-in is around $8 to $15. Then you add your affiliate links. Anybody that check your description, the link will direct the person to your affiliate marketing tools. Then if 1% of 1.2 million viewers clicked on your video and its sale net is $20, let's do the mathematics now. 1.2 million times 0.01 times 20, which is equals to $240,000 potential earning. So even 0.1%, it costs $24,000. You get. So sponsorship is $5,000 to $500 to $5,000 per mid-roll mentioned. You now have every step from the tools to the exact mathematics to launch your Faceless channel and the aim for your first $10. So, like I said, pick one evergreen niche today. Write your first script tonight. Upload your first Faceless video this week. Don't allow it slide. Don't wait till tomorrow. You can start now. So you can check my description for all that you need to know regarding this Faceless channel. When you have done your research and have started your channel, you can come to the comment section and state that you have started. You get, and I'll give you creators tip. Bye, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you.